Yo, welcome. So, Blac Chyna has lost her defamation lawsuit, which she had filed against the Kim Kardashian family. According to Blac Chyna, she was going to have her own reality show, and due to bad publicity, by means of the Kardashian family, she lost her television deal. Now, I'm sure some bottom of the barrel lawyers were the one who advised Blac Chyna to basically go forth with this lawsuit, because this is how lawyers operate in the United States. You know what I mean? They normally pick cases that sometimes have a lot of shock value to it, or cases that they feel like people will quickly settle out of court, and it's a win-win for both them and the complaint. Because a lot of rich persons like the Kardashians, they don't really have the time to go to the courthouse to fight a silly case, so sometimes they settle. However, in this particular occasion, the Kardashians did not settle. They instead decided to go to court and fight Blac Chyna. And of course, these women, they have joined the billionaire clubs. You know what I mean? Not everybody agrees with the way that the Kardashians became billionaires, but they did so regardless by any means necessary. And so Blac Chyna, who is obviously not in the same tax bracket or the same pay grade, went up against the Kardashians with her flimsy lawyers, and as expected, she lost. But Blac Chyna did not only lose this case because she had a flimsy lawyer, and she could not compete lawyer for lawyer with the Kardashians, but also her intelligence or lack thereof worked against her. It's because she's not the brightest crayon in the crayon box. So she basically implicated herself on numerous occasions while being cross-examined by the Kardashians team. And note, the Kardashians, they have developed a reputation over time for being lawyers based on their dad, who was, a member of the OJ Simpson famous panel, to beat that case in the 90s, So they are no fools to the law firm situation. And Kim Kardashian is also studying to be a lawyer right now. So of course they mopped the floor with Blac Chyna, who is very inexperienced and not very intelligent. So understand, they really had a field day with her, even got her to admit, to abusing Rob Kardashian. Rob Kardashian claimed that, Blac Chyna was very violent to him, and therefore his reaction and his family's reaction towards her were warranted. He also stated that Blac Chyna, waved a gun at him. And instead of denying this, which is what Blac Chyna should have done, I would have, if they have no video evidence to prove that I waved a gun at them, I'm going to deny it. And she should have done that. But no, she admitted that she waved the gun at Rob and tried to say that it was just a joke or whatnot. And sorry, like waving a live gun at someone, no judge is going to see that as a joke, because that is a life or death. Just by playing with a gun, you can possibly, accidentally kill someone. So, of course, this worked against Blac Chyna, and of course, the media ran with it. So, having this type of information in the media, of course, turned public opinion against her. And in the age that we're living in right now, if the public opinion is against you in a case, you are basically eaten by the dogs. We have seen where people like Bill Cosby, people like R. Kelly have had their careers tarnished by public opinion before they even had their fair time in court, And so Blac Chyna was a victim of this by her own doing, because she answered the questions incorrectly when she was cross-examined, And the Kardashians, of course, made a field day of her inexperience. But the thing is, Blac Chyna did not have to go through any of this. Blac Chyna was along with Rob Kardashian, who is the only male heir to the Kardashian dynasty, the only person that can produce other Kardashians. Therefore, had Blac Chyna just played her cards correctly and had just have some child, have some children, bear some kids for Rob Kardashian. You know what I mean? She would have been the mother to three, four, five, six, seven, eight, however many Kardashian babies, and she would have been set forever. But no, she decided to cheat on Rob Kardashian, and so the relationship ended abruptly. She lost that fat check. You know, she fumbled the bag, as they would say, and now she's flat broke and is trying to, basically file a lawsuit to make some money when it did not have to go this way. She could have created her own Kardashian empire through Rob Kardashian. And so she fumbled the bag. So sorry, Blac Chyna, but you have to take this L because this was your doing. Congrats to Kim and the girls for winning this case. I'm out.